Do you want to be like Salt Bay? How about Fieri or Wolfgang? Gordon, don't worry about it. We got the business plan ready for you. Stick around till the end for a comprehensive approach for your business plan.
Ever wondered what it takes to open a million-dollar restaurant? The journey from a simple idea to the grand opening involves several complex steps that require careful planning, execution, and a good deal of patience. First, it all starts with a concept. What kind of restaurant do you want to create? Will it be a cozy Italian bistro, a sleek sushi bar, or perhaps something innovative like a vegan fast food chain? The concept should be unique, appealing, and most importantly, it should reflect your passion. Take Pinky Cole, for instance. She turned her love for vegan food into a $100 million business with Slutty Vegan, a provocative concept that merges sex and food. Once the concept is clear, the next step is to create a comprehensive business plan. This document should include everything from your target demographic, market research, pricing, marketing strategy, to your projected financials. It's like a roadmap guiding you towards your goal. The third step is finding the perfect location. The location can make or break a restaurant. It should be accessible, have good visibility, and ideally, it should be in an area where your target demographic frequents. Pinky Cole chose New York for her first location outside of the South due to its diverse population. Next, you'll need to raise capital. Opening a restaurant is an expensive venture, and unless you have a significant amount of personal savings, you'll likely need to seek funding. This could come from personal loans, investors, or even venture capitalists. Matthew de Gruyter, a former oil and gas venture capitalist, managed to raise $20 million to open his plant-based burger chain, Next Level Burger. Once the funds are secured, you'll need to negotiate a lease, hire a competent team, plan your menu, and purchase the necessary equipment. It's also crucial to obtain all the required permits and licenses. Make sure to factor in the time it takes to get these approvals when planning your timeline. Finally, a few weeks before the big day, start your marketing campaign. This could involve social media, local press, or even hosting a soft opening for friends, family, and local influencers. Conceptualizing a unique idea, creating a comprehensive business plan, finding the perfect location, raising capital, setting up the restaurant, and launching a marketing campaign. It's a long and challenging process, but with passion, patience, and perseverance, the rewards can be worth it.
For a more comprehensive approach on how to open a restaurant, click the link below. There you'll find more details on how to open a restaurant, the actual steps you need to take to open a restaurant when it comes to leasing, permits, contractors, architects, lawyers, escrow, and closing documents.